Hello everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to boost FPS on low-end PCs instantly. There are a few things you can do to improve the FPS on your low-end PC. The first thing you'll need to do is to go over to the taskbar, right click on it, and click on Task Manager. Now this will show you all the apps that are currently running. It's also going to show you the percentage of your CPU that is being used and the memory that is being used. Now this is important because if these apps are running and you have a low-end PC, you'll need to run as little as possible when you're trying to play your Roblox. This will help your PC focus its resources on providing the best frames per second and performance on your Roblox. So go ahead and look at them. As you can see, this arrow right here, it's showing from the heaviest to the least heaviest. So for example, we have our Microsoft Edge, lots of tabs are on, so we can close this. We can also close any other apps that we see are consuming too much of our memory. However, it is important to take note that you'll need to end an app that you're sure of. For example, if we go over to our Edge browser, we can right click on it and click on End Task, and this will automatically free up a good amount of space for us. Now we're going to go to the other option. The other option is to click on your Start menu and type in Power Options. So here we just typed in Power OP and then it brought this Edit Power Plan. So we can click on it. So right here at the top, you can see Edit Plan Settings and then Power Options. Click on Power Options. And you can see it's currently on high performance. So for you, you'll need to make sure that you're on high performance because this will increase the resources for your computer on the app you're currently running. Also on your start, after clicking on it, you can say Game Settings. So here you have Game Mode Settings, click on it. And right here it says Game Mode. Optimize your PC for play by turning things off in the background. So it's either you take the first step, which we mentioned, or you could also simply come over here and click on this, but you could do both of them just to be sure. This will help optimize your PC and boost your FPS. So go over here and click on the toggle on button, and that will create some improvements. Also, while we're here on game mode, you can click on graphics on the related settings, then go over to Roblox. Here you can see Roblox, click on it. Click on options, and here you can say high performance. So currently you're letting Windows decide, but you can simply click on high performance, and this will boost your Roblox experience. Another option is to type in Windows R on our keyboard. And right here, you're going to type in percentage, temp, percentage, enter. And this will present you with this folder where there are mostly files that you don't need on your PC, so you can go ahead and select them and delete them to free up some more space on your PC. And one more option is to go over to your start, click on it, and type in Adjust Appearance. So you can see there, you can see Adjust Appearance and Performance of Windows. Click on it. And right here it says, let Windows choose what's best for my computer. So if you're looking for a best performance, you can simply come over to Adjust for Best Performance. Would you notice that as we clicked on Adjust for Best Performance, you can see that it unselected most of these. Now, these are lots of visual stuff added by Windows to make your viewing experience more appealing. However, when you choose Adjust for Best Performance, it's going to make sure that you have less of that and more of your CPU would go into your current app in order to boost your FPS while playing your Roblox. If any of these options were helpful, do give us a like and subscribe for more videos, and thanks for watching.